Every athlete knows that recovery is important, but did you know it's just as important as your training? And what are the best recovery methods to keep you performing at your peak? Let's dive in. Hey, I'm Dr. Jason Barker with the Natural Athletes Clinic, and today we're talking about the top recovery methods for athletes. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you bounce back faster and stronger. First up is foam rolling and stretching. Foam rolling helps to release muscle tightness, improve blood flow, and reduce soreness. I would say use a foam roller on major muscle groups for about 5 to 10 minutes after your workout. Remember, this isn't supposed to be torture. It should feel good, so go easy on that pressure. Next, you want to follow up with some targeted stretches to help maintain flexibility. Stretching also improves blood flow and hastens recovery. Remember to hold each stretch for at least a minute so that muscle has time to relax and release some tension. Next, hydration and nutrition. Replenishing fluids lost during exercise is crucial. Aim to drink plenty of water with electrolytes throughout the day, and don't forget to refuel with a balanced meal rich in protein, carbs, and healthy fats right after that workout. Proper hydration and nutrition provide your body with the essential nutrients needed for muscle repair and energy replenishment. Quality sleep is when your body does most of its repair work. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to maximize your recovery during heavy training cycles. When we're sleeping, we also release growth hormone, which plays a vital role in the recovery process as well. So it's important to get quality sleep. Don't underestimate the power of rest days too. Your body needs some time to heal, so make sure to incorporate rest in your weekly routine, or at most every 8 to 10 days. Now, I like to do some active recovery on my rest days, which means something like going for a long walk or an easy spin on the bike. It's always better to move instead of just sitting on the couch all day. Remember, stagnation is the enemy of recovery. Cold therapy like ice baths can reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. And on the other hand, heat therapy can help relax muscles and improve blood flow. I would say experiment with both to see which works best for you. Some athletes prefer alternating between hot and cold treatments for optimal recovery. There's a lot of research that shows the benefits of each, and once you understand what works best for your body, you'll start to gravitate towards either hot or cold after certain workouts. By incorporating these methods into your routine, you'll be well on your way to better performance, fewer injuries, and of course, better recovery. It's important not to skip on recovery. It's such an important part of the training regimen. Personally, I like to use an electrolyte formula, a natural anti-inflammatory like curcumin, and a specialized product that helps support growth hormone production at night, especially after I've had a tough workout that day. I'll list a few of my favorite recovery products in the description below as well. I'm curious to know what some of your best recovery techniques are. What do you find works best for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to stay at the top of your game naturally. See you next time.